Are you looking for the best Underbody Underglow kit? In this video, we will break down the top 6 Underbody Underglow kits on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1, Xkglow XK041006. These lights are great for your shy lines and extra terrain. It is described as a UFO-style light in 3 million colors. They're pre-programmed, so you can just pick a setting, match them to your music so they glow to the beat, then drive through a dark, quiet alley if you really want to mess with spaceheads. Also, your lighting tubes are made of poly, not glass, so they have a little bed to them. And because each tube is 2 feet long, you can arrange them to fit around a curve if needed. They're slim tubes, waterproof and weatherproof. They're designed to outline the entire underbody perimeter of an average car. With both adhesive backing and nailed cable clips, installing the glow is quick and convenient. At number 2, OPT7 Aura Underbody RGB KIT2XX. This all-color will add some attitude to your ride and is made to accommodate most SUVs, vans, or trucks. They come with professional mounting hardware to ensure they stay securely in place on rough roads and in all types of weather. Also, it is made with smart color LEDs. This LED design combines micro LEDs of all 3 primary colors into a single SMD. This allows a perfect mixture of color at the micro level, emitting a more pure, brilliant light color. It is built for the road. It is constructed of aluminum and filled with dense silicone. These kits are designed to protect against road debris, moisture, and anything life can throw at them. But the LED connectors are not waterproof. You will need to use a heat shrink tube or electrical tape around the LED connectors to ensure the longevity of the lighting kit. Finally, it comes with lifetime technical support and a 1-year warranty for your satisfaction. At number 3, Mustwin. This RGB 90 LED neon light is one of the brightest underglow kits on the market. With more than 16 million colors, this 90 LED underglow light is the best option for car owners who are on the lookout for some cool customizable options for their brand new vehicle. Also, you can easily mount this underglow kit on the chassis of your vehicle. This remote control LED light kit is controlled by a remote. You can change the stroboscopic speed at which the color changes, brightness level, and more. The light sports a rugged body. It's made of aluminum and comes with high durability. As well, these LEDs have the potential to generate bright lights while consuming minimal power. These waterproof and anti-corrosion lights are being tested under the water for up to 3 hours. Moreover, it is an important matter that the controller cannot resist water. The music mode allows users to get light dancing to the music beat. You can download the mobile app after the installation. The app enables you to control the lights, adjust their colors and speed conveniently. The lights can endure rain, snow, and all types of roads. At number 4, Boomersun. These kits are compatible with a wide range of vehicles. It is a Bluetooth-compatible unit. All you need to operate the Underglow kit is a smartphone. It turns on your mobile Bluetooth and connects this Underglow light kit with your smartphone to ensure easy and seamless operations. Also, the unit features 20 colors and a whopping 22 lighting modes. This kit supports millions of color combinations. The aluminum housing keeps the light safe from tough and bumpy terrains. With a lifespan of 50,000 hours, this is one of the durable and versatile underglow kits on the market. You can use this kit for interior and exterior applications. At number 5, Mictuning MIC4RL379. This LED underglow lighting kit is armed with several features that make it a best-selling product in the market. This lighting kit is ideal for anyone who wants a simple yet quick way to add a personal touch to their car. These kits' eye-catching LED lights will catch the attention of fellow motorists or even auto enthusiasts. These lights are multi-purpose and can be used as underglow lights as well as rock lights or for any other purpose that you might think of. They can be used for a variety of vehicles, such as SUVs, regular cars, trailers, trucks, jeeps, boats, or even mining vehicles. Also, this underglow lighting kit can be fashioned into interior lights for a car too. It comes with 11.5 feet 5-core wiring harness, which can be mounted anywhere. Its aluminum housing can be used for up to 50,000 hours. It comes with Bluetooth connectivity. A wonderful feature of these lights is that they offer about 16 million RGB colors. It also comes with a music mode that allows you to control the flash frequency of the light. According to the music played in the car. You can also regulate the different functions of this lighting kit using the mobile application Mictuning. Besides, it includes wires that prevent potential burnout and protects the circuit of the car. From adjusting the speed to the brightness or even the color mixing effect, anything can be customized. Furthermore, this lighting comes with an aluminum housing unit and is constructed with high-quality materials. So, this lighting kit is shockproof, waterproof, and dustproof too. From easy installation to convenient controls, these lights offer everything you require. At number 6. Ledmircy Rock Light Kit Green. This LED is one of the safest and durable underbody underglow kits. Its body is made of aluminum, which can resist shocks and corrosion. This kit is a waterproof and corrosion-resistant unit. It can last for up to 50,000 hours. Also, considering its durability and waterproof properties, it is safe and can be used on all roads. With this LED underbody rock light kit in place, you can drive through snow and rain. Not only does it fit all types of cars, but this underglow kit is compatible with a road roller, forklift, bulldozer, truck, crane, and other vehicles. Best of all, the unit has multiple applications, though it is specifically designed for car chassis. The kit helps you get a clear view of the road while making your vehicle appear cool and charming to the pedestrians.